What are the responsibilities of the Texas Real Estate Commission?
The Texas Real Estate Commission, or Trec, has several responsibilities. Let's look at some of them. Trec grants licenses to applicants who have met all the requirements, including completing courses and passing the exam. The Texas Real Estate Commission also protects the public interest by safeguarding and protecting the consumer of real estate services. Another duty of the Texas Real Estate Commission is regulating the activities of licensees. An example of this is Trec enforcing restrictions placed on real estate agents regarding the placement of signs and how they are allowed to advertise. Those are some of Trec's responsibilities.